Hello everyone. Today's lesson is day 28. Materials: A Quiet Place to Work, our day 28 pages in your packet, and a pencil. Our objectives. We have 2 objectives today. The first one is that I can say and write the number that is one more and one less than a 2-digit number. So if we were looking at the number 24, a number that would be one more is 25. And if we were looking at a number that was one less, we would be able to say 23. Our second objective is I can say and write the number that is 10 more and 10 less than a 2-digit number. So, if my number was 32, I am going to be able to look at it and say that 10 more is 42 and 10 less is 22. So that's what we're going to work on today. And our goal is to be able to do both of those things by the end of our lesson. Our vocabulary. I'm going to say the word and then you're going to repeat it after me. More. Más. More than. Mayor a. Less. Menos. Less than. Menor a. Okay, let's practice our math facts. So, 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Downward dog. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Alright, now we have to fill in the missing part to make it equal 10. 5 plus something equals 10. 5 plus 5. 2 plus blank equals 10. 2 plus 8. 6 plus blank equals 10. 6 plus 4. 9 plus blank equals 10. 1. Tree pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Take a deep breath in and blow it out. Okay. So, for our sprint today, there are most of these problems. The thing that's going to help you is to circle the numbers that make 10. So if I'm looking at number 1 here, we have 9 plus 1 plus 3. What 2 numbers equal 10? 9 and 1. Good, that's why we've been really practicing our addition facts to 10 and our subtraction facts from 10. Because knowing the friends of 10 is very important. And being able to know those quickly. So, we have 10 plus 3. What's 10 plus 3? 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So that's what I want you to do. Some of the problems, like this one that already have a teen number, you're not going to be able to make the 10, but with the two numbers, but that's okay. You can start with the teen number and count on. And then there was one more I wanted to show you. Oh, these down here. So this one is a little bit different. Okay, so for these problems here that I have circled right now, you need to find two numbers that make 10. So for 24, we have 9 plus 1 plus something equals 14. Two numbers that make 10. 9 and 1, we have 10. How many more do we need to make 14? Okay. So the others down here that don't have the answer there, I still want you to make 10. So 25. We have 8 plus 4 plus something. You need to use 8 and a number to make 10. Okay? And then you need to tell me what it equals. Okay? Let's see. The bottom two here, they give you the answer. So 19 equals 6 plus something plus something. Here you need to find two numbers that make 10 and then add, so use 6 and something to make 10 and then add another number to make 19. Same thing with the last problem, 30. Okay? Alrighty. Press pause and do your number sprint. Now that we're done with our number sprint, a nice warrior one where you can take a nice deep breath in and out to get refocused so we can learn our new math today. Alright, so we're going to work on one more first. So one more is like adding 1. You can see here. One more is also like counting on. So when we count 1, 2, 3, this is all adding 1. Okay. First, I'm going to see how many I have here in my picture. So I'm looking and I'm seeing that I have sticks of 10. So I have 10 and another 10. So I know 10, 20. So this is 20. Okay. Now I'm going to read my sentence. 1 more than 20 is blank. So I'm going to start by drawing my 20. So here's my picture. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay, there's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. Now I need to draw one more because it's asking me what is 1 more than 20. So I have 20, now I'm going to draw one more. So I have 10, 20, 21. Okay. Now we're going to look at... Okay, so now we're going to look at one less. So, first, again, I'm going to start and look at my picture, and then I'm going to read the sentence. So, I have 1 stick of 10, 2 sticks of 10. So I know that that is a total of 20. Now I'm going to read my sentence. 1 less than 20 is blank. Again, I'm going to draw my sticks of 10, my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay. So we have our 20. But we have to take 1 away. So what happens is I'm going to cross it out. Or on your papers, they actually made it gray. I can show you that. I will show you that after. So now I have to count how many are left. So this is still a 10 here. Let me use a different color. Oh, sorry. This is still 10, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 10, 1 10, and 9 ones is 19. So 1 less than 20 is 19. Just like when we're counting the number before 20, we have 18, 19, 20. So 1 less is 19. Good. Now we're going to look at 10 more. So more. We're adding again. We're adding. I'm going to count my picture. We have 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So we have 35. Now I need to do 10 more. I'm just going to draw lines because of the space that I have, I'm going to run out of room. So I'm just going to draw a line like this and say 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to draw my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I have to draw 10 more. So I'm going to do one more group of 10, 40. Or if I drew out my sticks, it would look like this. We'll say that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So we have our 30. Now I'm going to draw one more. 1, 2. Well, 10 more. Sorry, 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 more. So I have 10, 30. Sorry. 10, 20, 30. This is going to be 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45. Good. Okay, now we're going to look at 10 less. So less means we have to take away 10 less. Starting looking at my picture, we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, 10 less than 35 is blank. Starting drawing with my, starting drawing with my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to draw my 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I'm taking away 10. So I'm going to cross out 10. Now, we could start by crossing out the ones, but because we're taking away a whole 10, I'm going to show you to take away the 10 stick instead. So, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are taking away this whole 10. So we have 10, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If you were to start by taking away the ones instead, that's okay. Then if you just don't have enough ones, you would go to the next 10 and start taking away. I can show you that. Oops. Okay, so remember, I took away a whole 10 because that's what we were taking away. It says take away 10. So I knew that we could just take away one whole stick. But sometimes it may say take away 7 or 2. So what you want to do then is start with the ones. If it was a 10, you could also start with the ones, and this is what it would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we would count. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So, here is your problem set. You actually do not have to draw the picture. They already drew it for you. And some things I want to point out before we do the first two together is that they have made it gray. Do you see how those two blocks are gray? So they already put the 1 more or the 1 less or the 10 more or the 10 less. Okay? And to show that they did the 1 more or the 1 less, they made the block gray. Important to know. Alrighty. So we have the first one. We have 10, 20, 30. Ooh. It says 1 more than 30 is blank. Okay, so we need 1 more. More means that we're adding. So they have added 1 more. So now I'm going to count again. 10, 20, 30, 31. Do you see how they added one more block to show one more. Okay, now we are going with one less. Okay, so let's count. We have 10, 20, and 30. One less than 30 is, so we're taking this block away. Do you see how this block is now missing? So that is not a group of 10 anymore. We have to count those as the ones now, because it's not 10, because we took one away. How many do you think are in this block, in this stack now? How can we find that out? Let's count. So now we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So one less than 30 is 29. Great job. So now you're going to do it by yourself. You're going to do 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 3, they're adding one more with you. 4, they're taking one away, one less. This one is 10 more and 10 less. So make sure you're looking at the symbol and the words. I gave you this little key right here as a helper so you remember. More means that you're adding, and less means that you're subtracting. So you can go ahead and do your problems. When you're done, please take a picture, send it to Miss Nicole in your portfolio so she can read. You guys are doing great. Keep it up.